Today, we're using V1 to dispense solder paste onto a factory fabricated board. This board, which includes a camera component and LEDs, will be integrated into our other printer, Nova's Module Hub, enabling the software to capture videos and images of the print bed. One of the most important steps when dispensing onto prefabricated boards is the alignment step. V1 software allows you to align your paths and traces to the existing circuit, using different reference points on the board, ensuring your solder paste is dispensed in the correct locations. Once alignment is complete, V1 probes the board to create a height map of the dispensing area. Dispensing solder paste with V1 enables accurate and repeatable placement of a controlled amount of solder, exactly where it is needed. In the reflow step, V1's built-in heated bed heats to a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius for 45 seconds and then 190 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds, allowing your components to reflow onto the board. After reflow, the camera is attached and the board is mounted into the bottom of Nova's Module Hub. This setup enables users to view close-up, detailed images of the print bed through Nova software, using the camera and LEDs.